It's the murder most foul. She's a forensic sciences student. She used her knowledge of science to conceal a murder. At least that is what the police claim. The image that you see on your television screen is of the murder accused and of the victim, Ramkesh Meena. Now, the victim, Ramkesh Meena, was allegedly killed, according to the Delhi police, by his live-in partner, Amrita Chauhan. Amrita Chauhan is believed to have roped in the assistance of two of her friends, earlier friends, to carry out this murder. Now, according to the police, there was some material on Ramkesh's mobile phone that the lady wanted deleted. When he refused to do so, she planned this murder most foul. And how? We bring you more in this report.
A death that first appeared to be a tragic fire accident. Later turned out to be a chilling murder over passion, revenge, and deception. Perfectly planned and executed by a young woman. A charred body found inside a Delhi flat. The fire believed to have been caused by an air conditioner blast. But within days, police uncovered a chilling plot, hatched by a 21-year-old woman, Amrita, to eliminate her live-in partner, Ramkesh Meena, a 32-year-old UPSC aspirant.
मेरी मम्मी ने अंदर से हाथ दे के कुंडी खोली, जैसे ही दरवाजा देखा तो हमने एकदम आग का गोला बाहर आया, तो उसके 20 या 25 मिनट बाद जैसे फायर ब्रिगेड आई है तो एकदम ब्लास्ट हुआ है बहुत तेज। परसों या तरसों के आसपास तीनों एक्यूज्ड आए थे, उसमें एक फीमेल थी और 2 मेल थे। उनको लेके आई थी, फोरेंसिक लैब वाले भी आए हुए थे, पूरा ऊपर तक लेके गए हैं क्राइम सीन के लिए। लड़का अच्छा था, मम्मी बताती है किसी से कोई मतलब नहीं, कोई लड़ाई का शिकायत नहीं।
The killer girlfriend, Amrita, along with her ex-boyfriend and other accomplices, killed Ramkesh Meena in cold blood. Sumit, who was Amrita's ex-lover, roped in his friend, an LPG supplier, to execute the crime. Amrita, who is a forensic student, used her training to mislead the probe. She tried to camouflage the murder as a fire mishap. After the murder, the accused poured oil, ghee, and liquor on the body of the victim, then opened a gas cylinder's valve and set it on fire, causing an explosion.
और ये जो आप घर देख पा रहे हैं, इस घर में पूरी तरह से आग लगी थी 6 अक्टूबर को, और 6 अक्टूबर को जो रामकेश है उसकी जो बॉडी है वो इस कमरे में मिली थी। अमृता और उसका पूर्व जो प्रेमी है सुमित, वो घर के अंदर आते हैं और घर के अंदर इस कमरे में, ये जो कमरा है यहाँ पर रामकेश था, यहीं पर गला दबा के उसकी हत्या की जाती है। उसके बाद घर के अंदर जो गैस सिलेंडर था, गैस सिलेंडर खोल दिया जाता है, उसका जो पाइप है वो रामकेश की बॉडी के पास रख दिया जाता है और बॉडी पर तेल, घी, घर में जितना ज्वलनशील पदार्थ था वो डाला जाता है।
When cops scanned the CCTV footage, the trio was caught leaving the flat with their faces covered. All 3 accused have now been arrested. The accused took this extreme step as lover Ramkesh had Amrita's obscene images and was refusing to delete them. As probe in the case deepens, more chilling details continue to surface. With Arvind Ojha, Bureau Report, India Today.